Okay, team, thank you. A very good afternoon. Thank you for using your lunch hour for learning and growing in life. Today, we are going to discuss about the Prince2 Proficiency Project Legends. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shyam Kishore Panjar. I have more than 18 years of experience in different organizations, starting with big MNC like Capgemini, Accenture, and then the small startup company, Innovate Fintech Private Limited. After that, Kotak Mahindra Bank and the AU Small Finance Bank. Thank you. I will look to introduce the team also. Could you please start one by one?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ajit Yadav. I have total 7 years of experience as a warehouse manager in RTDX company. My location is Palghar. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, team. Uh, this is Ritesh. I have more than 9 year experience as a software QA manager. I am currently working with Karnataka Bank. My current location is Bangalore.
Next, please.
Good afternoon,
Ankit.
everyone.
Yes, please. Please go ahead.
My, my name is Nisa Kumari. I have 8 years of experience working with Punjab National Bank as a manager, and my current location is Jamshedpur. Thank you.
Ankit, please.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ankit Kumar, and I have been working as a manager at Bank of America for the past 9 years, and currently I am based in Bangalore. Thank you.
Hello.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pooja Kumari, and presently I am working in HDFC Bank, and I have more than 8 years of experience, and currently I am located in Gurgaon.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Prince Kumar. I have 6 years of experience working with Test Yantra Software Solution as a manager, and I am staying in Noida. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Snehal Kumari. I have total 12 years of experience working at Reliance Industries as a digital marketing manager. I'm currently living in Thane and I'm looking forward to connect with you all. Thank you.
Okay, anyone left? Okay, thank you, team. The first today I am going to just introduce about the chapter, what the chapters that we'll cover during these courses. No, the first chapter is the introduction as a part one about the Prince2. Then we'll start with the chapters, and you will find here each and every chapters is available here. Okay, na? It details, all details are given here of the chapters. Okay, na? Introduction, understanding of the project and the Prince2. Then the chapter 3, continued business justification for Prince2 principles. Then chapter 4 is the learn from the experience for the Prince2 principles. Chapter 5 is the defined roles and responsibilities for Prince2 principle. Chapter 6 is managed by stages for Prince2 principles. Then chapter 7, managed by exception for Prince2 principles. Chapter 8 is the focus on the products for Prince2 principles. Then chapter 9 is the tailor to suit the project environment for Prince2 principles. Then after that, we'll discuss what is the business cases theme, then the organization theme as a chapter 11. Then we'll discuss about the quality theme in chapter 12. And then chapter 13 is the plans theme. Then chapter 14 will discuss about the risk theme. Then chapter 15 will discuss about the change theme. Then in chapter 16 we'll discuss about the progress theme. Chapter 17 will discuss about the starting of a project. Chapter 18 will discuss as a directing a project. Then how to initiate the project in chapter 19, how to control a stage In chapter 20, in chapter 21, we'll discuss about the managing the product delivery. Then in chapter 22, we'll discuss about managing a stage boundary. And in chapter 23, we'll discuss how to close any project. And later we'll discuss the case studies with examples. Then we'll discuss about the different project management tool, especially the Jira or the Azure DevOps. Then we'll discuss the how to get the good marks in the examination and what the tips and strategy for the exam success. And in all details, we are here to find in the book format, and this is the book here. And you will get the every details in the book format of each and every topics in details. And if you want while studying any comments or any understanding, then you can put here. This suppose if you are face any queries, you can write here the queries, so that you will ask in the class while studying this book. This all chapters, and every chapter is having the subtopic also that we'll discuss. Then we'll go to the second topic. We'll start actually the tomorrow the second topic. The second topic will be first topic will be the chapter 1 introduction to Prince2, and in Prince2 you will find why you use the project management methods, what are the importance of. In that we will discuss the journey of Prince2, storytelling, all details, with all the principles, detailed principles we'll discuss tomorrow in details. And we'll find each and every topic in details is available in the Jira, and you can write the comment. Not only that, you can use this Jira to get the audio of the chapter also. You will get the video link also, and after studying each chapters, you can go there and you can check your understanding by just clicking the link, and you can go and just click this one, and you will get the all the questions. And in that questions you have to write the correct answers of your understanding, and then after that you will get the correct answer just after clicking submit, and you will get the feedback for each and every question and answer. And I think for today, thank you for joining on time, and from tomorrow we'll continue. Anyone has any questions for today? How to use the Jira? Otherwise, I will share the link for the Jira, and then you can use that one to how to use for reading or studying this book and collecting the questions while studying. Anyone have any questions for today? Whatever we have discussed about the topic. Anyone,
sir.
please?
No, sir.
Okay. So from tomorrow we'll start, and the first chapter will be the introduction of the Prince2. And then you can go if you want to study. I request you to go study before coming to the class, so that you have the sufficient questions, and we'll discuss in details about the any queries in that particular chapters from each day, and you will understand better, and you will utilize the time. So my request, the more you learn, the more you earn. There is no substitute of hard work. So you should learn daily to earn in near future. Thank you, Tim. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.